In this video, we're gonna be focusing on one product alone, and that is dry shampoo. I've been asked a lot of questions regarding dry shampoo. Why do I use it? How do I use it? What is it for? And so I thought about making one short video answering all these questions for you. So let's hop right in. So dry shampoo comes in both powder and aerosol type of spray, which you can work into your hair to sort of freshen up your hair on the days you're not actually washing it with water and regular shampoos. This starchy based formula will soak up the excess oil and grease on your hair, so you will look and feel like it is freshly washed again. I started using dry shampoo way back 2010, so that's 8 years now. And that is also the year that I started watching beauty videos on YouTube, and they are all using it. Like, dry shampoo is all the rave back then. So I did a bit of research and I found out that washing your hair every day is actually unhealthy for your hair. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving your hair more prone to breakage and split ends. So if you're interested, there's a lot of information on the internet. If you're interested in using dry shampoo, dig a little deeper and do your own research. But I will tell you, not washing my hair daily and using a dry shampoo instead took a lot of getting used to, believe you me. But once I got the hang of it, I don't think I will go back to daily washing. Why? Because it saves gallons of water, it saves me time in the morning, it extends the life of my blow dry, and it gives my hair a little or an extra volume, which my limp and fine hair needs all the time. This is my third day hair. So I'm filming on a Thursday, and the last time I washed my hair was Tuesday. Yeah. And I think it still looks pretty good, right? It doesn't look oily or greasy at all. You just have to know, kind of re-style your hair. You can do a ponytail, you can do a half up, half down kind of hairstyles. Now I'll show you how to use a dry shampoo. You have to section your hair and pull up your hair. Make sure that you're holding the can at least 6 to 10 inches away from your roots. That's the white residue that I'm talking about. Now I look like a grandma. Massage it in using your fingertips. One added tip on using dry shampoo, I would normally spray or put a dry shampoo at night before I go to sleep. So in that way, my hair has an ample time to absorb the excess oil and also to take away that white residue on my hair, because it will eventually go away. See, I don't have the white cast anymore. I am washing my hair at least twice a week. But please don't use it on wet hair. There's a reason why it's called dry shampoo. And dry shampoo is not just for dirty hair alone. You can also use it for styling. Do you notice that when your hair is freshly washed, it's kind of slippery and very hard to style? Now, when you spray a couple of spritz of dry shampoo, it will give a boost, an added volume, texture, and grip to your hair for better styling. So now I'm gonna show you all the dry shampoos that I currently have. These are the dry shampoos that I have now. I'm gonna show it by one anyway. I would say that Batiste is one of my favorite brands. Why? Because it is a great dry shampoo for a great price. It would cost, if I'm not mistaken, around 20 to 25 dirhams. I usually buy mine at Woods Pharmacy, and they always have a buy to get one promotion for this. I hoard whenever they have a sale because I know that this is a product that I'm consistently using, so I know that I'm gonna need a regular supply of this. This is a dry shampoo that I'm currently using. I don't know if you can see it. The brand is Vitri or Vitri. I'm not really sure how you pronounce that, but I got this in Lifestyle Pharmacy and it is in buy one take one promotion. The price is 24 dirhams and it is also a great dry shampoo. The Collab dry shampoo by A Model Recommends Ruth Greeley would be my #1 pick out of all the brands that I've ever tried. But I have, okay, I'm gonna show you this. This is the extreme volume variant. I hate this. I don't like this. It makes my hair so crunchy. And they also have a variant called Sheer and Invisible, and true to its name, it is really sheer, it's invisible. I'm gonna have the photo slip here because I don't have the actual bottle. I completely ran out of it and threw the bottle away. But that one I will keep on buying over and over again, especially the one in the travel size because that's what I use every time I go travel. The last one will be the Chlorine dry shampoo. This will get a seal of approval from me because it is also a great dry shampoo. It works really well. It doesn't have any white residue or not that's white cast on your hair. But the only disadvantage of this is that I don't know if it is available locally. If you know where can I buy this, just let me know because I really love this. The price is a little bit steep. I think I got this for around 60 or 70 dirhams. I bought this this is the only beauty product that I bought when I went to Italy last year. So, and Collab dry shampoo, you can buy it in Virgin Megastore. That's where I got mine last year. So there you go. I hope I answered all your basic questions regarding dry shampoo. And if you have any more questions, please write it down in the comment section below and I will try to answer it as soon as I can. See you next time. Bye!